Today, we are going to show you how to use the search and filter functionality in your Beam inventory. To start out, let's actually navigate to the inventory page by clicking on inventory in the side panel. Once you're on the inventory page, you'll see a running list of all the assets that live in your Beam workspace. In this particular example, I have 570 assets, as you can see in the top left of the screen. Just above the asset list, you will see a search bar in the top right, and just below it, a filter bar. Starting with the search bar, this search bar works much like any other search bar you've used on the internet. You can use it to search your inventory by model number, serial number, product name, or manufacturer. So in this tutorial, let's look up all Sony products in my inventory. You can see that the number in the top left has adjusted from 570 to 126. And now the list is only showing me products made by Sony. The real magic, though, is in the filter functionality. So I cleared my search over there. Let's click on filters. This is going to open up my filter config. Let's select the first field that I want to filter my inventory by from this dropdown. We're going to recreate that same manufacturer search that I just did. Select manufacturer. The operator over here is just going to be the default. I want to see all products that are of a specific manufacturer. And then in the value, let's select our manufacturer. So over here, let's do Sony again. I'm going to select Sony. Instantly, the page is going to refresh to show me only Sony products. But this is basically the same as a search. The real value in filters comes from making multi-conditional searches. So let's add a second condition to my filter by clicking Add Filter. And let's only look at Sony products that are currently undergoing maintenance. So for the second field, I'm going to select Asset Status as the field I want to filter by. And let's select In Routine Maintenance from the dropdown. You can see that my counter in the top left has reduced even further to 29, and I'm only looking at assets that were made by Sony that are currently in routine maintenance. This feature makes it really easy to zoom into specific asset groups that you manage together. It actually pairs really well with our quick actions and mass edit features, so I highly recommend you check out those tutorials as well if you haven't already done so. But the best way to learn how to use this feature is to actually go to your inventory and try it out for yourself.